So, hello everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video. You're joining me now in the car in the 718 Spyder RS, and I'm so pumped to get behind the wheel of this car today. I'm not in the same spot like the beginning of the video, which is just because it's so hot today. It's like 35 degrees. I'm hiding from the sun now. Today's video, you might know Dennis, the previous owner of my car. Well, he bought the 718 Spyder RS, like I've already mentioned in my first video, I think it was. And yeah, since filming that video and since I started this whole YouTube thing, I was talking to him about driving the Spyder RS, and we actually already filmed it, but we had a little bit of bad weather, and we stopped at the best part, and yeah, cup 2 tires in the pouring rain is not really a good idea. So we're doing it today, and I'm super happy that I get to drive this car now. This car also has a very special story behind it. This car is somewhat pretty special to me as well, because Dennis and we have a pretty similar taste in cars, I have to say. And when the Spyder RS was announced, I went on the Porsche website and I did a configuration of my dream Spyder RS, and I made it blue and I gave it golden wheels. I took a screenshot of that configuration and saved it on my phone. And yeah, a couple of months later, Dennis sends me a message and asks me something about a Spyder RS configuration and sends me a picture and asks me which color of the wheels he should take. I didn't have to answer, I just sent him my screenshot from months ago right back, because the car was pretty much identical down to every last detail. I think the only difference was the stitching in the interior. I think I had red stitching and he has the yellow stitching, which I have to say looks better. And now standing in front of the car, looking at it, seeing this car live in front of me, being able to drive it in exactly my dream configuration is pretty much dream come true. And yeah, pretty happy that I get to drive it now, that I get to test it out now, and that Dennis is so generous and lets me drive it. He's gonna drive my GTS in front of me, I'm gonna drive the Spyder RS, and I'm already so pumped. I mean, I drove this car before, but not that hard, and but like I've already said, it started raining and we quit filming that day. And yeah, now pretty good weather, a little bit hot, I already got sunburned, but very good weather for a Spyder RS. Dennis showed me a nice little stretch of road that we're gonna drive right now, and yeah, we're about to get started. Dennis sits in my car and he's only waiting for me, so let's not waste any more time and start driving the 718 Spyder RS. Okay, PDK Sport. Exhaust valve open. Oh, that is a difference. Holy shit. This car just keeps up with my GTS so effortlessly. It's crazy. I mean, I know my GTS is not slow, but not a comparison to this car. It's crazy, really. So now back in the car again, driving back to get some well-needed coffee and the cake, and just relax a little bit because it's so hot today. I got the roof up, which is also better for sound. Dennis actually told me that the sound is noticeably better with the roof up, because you hear a lot more, and all of the back here is opened, so you can actually put the roof in like 3 modes, like completely top down, completely closed, and with the back end here all opened. And this right here, I kind of have to say, this is the sweet spot, because I do love driving with the roof down, but in today's weather with this much sun, this is actually pretty cool, because you have so much sound coming from back here. It's actually louder than when you drive it with the roof completely down, and yeah, you're not getting sunburned. Well, I already got sunburned, but theoretically I could have drove it like that from the beginning and I would be totally fine, and just enjoying my day in this car. And like, just that noise, I mean, I'm in 7th gear right now, not going fast, and if I just ever so slightly touch the throttle, this just gets so loud. You can really hear how it opens up and lets in all that air. It's just so crazy. I think this is like the most emotional, fun car that I've ever driven. I don't know, I've driven some cool cars, but this, like 500 horsepower, absolutely the sweet spot, perfect power. This sound, the looks of the car, the capabilities, how this car just eats up corners. I think this might be the most fun I've ever had in a car.